Today, we're going to talk about the top winning products you can sell for your drop shipping business. Welcome to the channel Ship to the Moon. This is Michael. Before we get into our topic today, if you want to get more information on drop shipping business, be sure to check out our website down below in the description. Alright, without further ado, let's jump right into our first product for today. Right off the bat, we have our first product with high potential in the coming months, the shower speaker. I mean, don't you just love singing in the shower? Wouldn't it be awesome if you can bring a wireless speaker into the shower with you? Not to mention that you don't really need to be too careful like where to place it that it wouldn't be wet. The product itself has a unique suction tube design that can cling to walls while you're taking a shower. The shower speaker has a built-in microphone so you can take a call during shower time. It has a cute design, great for gift giving. You can even choose from multiple colors. It is space efficient, not to mention the great sound quality to make you feel like pate during the shower. According to all the ratings across all e-commerce platforms, the products received awesome ratings well above 4.5. So yeah, call up your shower buddies for this product. Speaking of speakers, sometimes one speaker is just not enough. Customers are always looking for new ways to add spark to their gadgets. Well, look no further, because what we have here is another top-selling product with even higher profit margin. The magnetic levitation speaker. A futuristic product with a wow effect. As a newly listed item that was introduced a few years back, the surge in sales caught our eye. So we looked into the data and we realized that the novelty of the product is still eye-catching for a lot of our customers, which makes it perfect for the gift-giving season of Christmas. Now, what about after Christmas? With the term wireless speaker and magnetic levitation searches every now and then on Google search, we believe that it's going to be an evergreen product. Or more specifically speaking, people buy new things, novel things, flashy things during festivals, especially the first few months every year when they make resolutions. So, for your information, that this product is belong in the music or tech or life niche. For the levitation speaker, we have a product right here to demonstrate how to use it. Now it's really easy. All you have to do is plug it right in, turn on the switch, and you can see the lights go up. Put it on a flat surface and pick up your independent speaker. Now make sure that the magnetic part is connected. Put it on, and the rest, all you have to do is let go. And you can see the independent speaker is floating right on top of the base. Flashy, wow effect. This is the perfect gift, well, the perfect product for gift giving. Now that we're all done with the speakers, speaking of levitation, let's introduce another product that surged in sales during Christmas. The fun Levitation Soccer, or football if you prefer the European way. That's right, fun Levitation Soccer. What is it? Now imagine this, during the pandemic, your kids still want to play with other kids, right? Little Jack or little Hannah wants to hang out with the other kids, but you don't want to bring them to the local park. So you bring them to your friend's house and they meet their kids. So little Jessica, little Jack and Hannah, three of them, are sitting in the living room. They don't know what to do. Binging documentaries on Netflix? I don't think so. So what do you give them to keep them sporty, keep them fun and safe during in-house events? That's right, fun Levitation Soccer is safe, it's indoor sport, it trains hand-eye coordination for kids, you know, like a real soccer, and the product belongs in the kids, fun, and sports, probably less sporty niche. The product has absolutely no seasonal limitations, especially during the pandemic. And according to past comments on all e-commerce platforms, The kids described having this product as if they're floating on cloud 9. You get it? Because floating, because it floats, it's levitation, like the speaker levitation. Yeah, never mind. Next product. Our fourth product of the video is the Smart Neck Electric Massager. Perfect for relaxing after a long day of school or long day of work. And it's a good problem solver for those who have neck pain. And let's be honest, with everyone using their phone nowadays, everyone has neck pain from time to time. It alleviates cervical pain, increases blood circulation, and it's one-size-fits-all with 3 mode variations. It's in the tech, health, or life niche. The average score and rating for the product across all e-commerce and dropshipping platforms are either 4.8 or 4.9. Some stores on AliExpress even receive 5-star ratings with hundreds of reviews. So this is the perfect product for relaxing. Now, if you think that this thing right here serves a narrow purpose, wait until you see the next one. Our final product of the day is this, the electric acupuncture pen. Using the same electric node technology, it can stimulate the muscle system throughout your entire body. And it's the perfect problem solver for those who has trypanophobia. I know. I'm such a dictionary. Acupuncture is such a great way to relieve joint and muscle pain. Acupuncture's popularity in the US is rising day after day. Now, the product has an English manual stating which part of the body you can apply the product. And it has a strength regulation mechanisms with no side effects at all. Now, the product's niche is in tech, medical, health, or life. And the best news for you is that it has such a high profit margin. Alright, that's it for today's product recommendation, but here comes the important parts. Obtaining these products through us, shipped to the moon, you can receive wonderful advantages and offers from us. So go to our website down below in the description, check out the details, and contact one of our agents to receive better news and help and guidance. So today, in this video, I'm going to share one of the biggest advantages from working with us. Here's a water bottle, just like any other product you can find on other websites like AliExpress or CJ Dropshipping. However, as you can see here, there's a personal logo here from Ship to the Moon. That's right, we can do personal branding for you without any minimum order quantity. That is, even if you order just one product per order, we can help you with personal branding. So be sure to come to our website and contact one of our agents. Drop a like, subscribe to our channel to get more dropshipping and e-commerce info and tips like product recommendation, Facebook advertising strategy, and many more. We'll see you next time.